Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone and TV must share the same Wi-Fi network, and you need the TV powered on. Once done, open the mobile app for casting or the TV Maker app. This is how devices discover each other. Make sure location and local network permissions are granted so the phone can scan. If using an HDMI adapter, plug it now. Otherwise, keep the mobile screen unlocked and the TV on the correct input. Once the apps are open, tap the cast or screen mirroring icon and choose your TV from the list. This tells both devices to negotiate a session. If you see options, pick mirror for exact replication or streaming mode for optimized playback. Each mode manages latency differently. Make sure to accept any pairing code shown on the TV because that prevents unwanted connections. If using an adapter, select the phone's video output, then check volume and to finish, tweak resolution and aspect ratio so the image fills the screen correctly, and set audio to TV speakers if needed. This improves quality. When you're done, stop casting from your phone or hit disconnect on the TV. If the connection fails, restart both devices and reconnect to the same Wi-Fi. This clears many transient errors. Also make sure apps and TV firmware are up to date, because outdated software often breaks compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.